नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी राव चौधरी आपलं सर्वांचं स्टुडंट ॲक्टिव्हिटी बोर्ड चॅनलमध्ये स्वागत करतो. मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये सेकंड लँग्वेज इंग्लिश स्टँडर्ड 7 सेमेस्टर सेकंडच्या युनिट सेकंडचा अभ्यास आपण करूया. युनिटचे नाव आहे स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2 यामध्ये आपण मेक हाऊसफ्लाय आणि बी ट्रॅप ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी पाहूया व शिकूया.
Activity second, homemade housefly or honeybee trap. We make it. First, to make this trap, we require the following things: an empty plastic bottle of water, a pair of scissors, sellotape, gum tape or stapler, then dishwashing liquid and water, food items, very small pieces of apple, sugar, and then lemon drops or lemon juice. These things are we want to make the mosquito trap or homemade housefly trap. Plastic bottle, cut it into two pieces as shown in the picture. In this way, we cut the bottle in two parts. Remove the cap first. Turn the small piece upside down and then put the neck part into the bottle. Attach the two parts with the staple or a piece of tape. Attach the two parts with the stapler or a piece of tape. Put drops or apples pieces bottom of the bottle. Then drop the liquid inside the Then take water. The mosquito trap is ready. Hang it inside your house or room. So friends, this is mosquito trap or honeybee trap is ready. How it's work: sugar, water, dishwashing liquid and other food items all attracts the flies and mosquitoes. They will enter the trap and fall into the liquid. Their wings will wet. They will not be able to fly back. In this way, our mosquito or honeybee trap is ready. Okay.